So this 3.62 acres of land is perfect for your Colorado dream home or vacation getaway. So the location is very convenient, and then you got trees, and right next to this county road 1 is paved. It is only 35 miles to Colorado Springs and 12 miles to Cripple Creek. And 16 miles to Woodland Park, and you are close to a lot of national forests. Lake George is not far away, a lot of mountains, very beautiful. So the good thing about this zoning code is residential / mobile zone district. So there's no homeowner association, and then mobile home and horses are allowed. So the covenants, so again, there's no HOA, no covenants. And the power line is on the southeast of this property here. So you can see there do have a little bit driveway built already. So we can pull this little guy here. You can see the property on site. So you could access from here, and then your horses are allowed, and the power line is just here. It's on site already, so your connection fee will be almost for free, or you should contact the provider of the power. So the acreage is 3.62 acres, and the terrain is pretty leveled in front of the property with a little bit slightly rolling hills at the back of the trees, at the back with trees. And then the utility going to be, you need to draw your own well and then install your private septic system. So again, using solar power or just connect it right away with the city power. And then there's no time limit to build if you want to remain vacant as is. So the general elevation is around 8,500 feet. And then the annual property tax is approximately $360. And this property is listed on our website, CheapLandFarm.com. You could search by county, by state. The city is called Florissant. You will find this property. You can order it online, or you could definitely go visit this property at your convenience. So the driving direction is, there has a site address, and the driving direction is here. Click here, you will see it. For other questions, please email info@cheaplandfarm.com, or simply go to the FAQ page to read. And have a great trip, and keep me in the loop. Thank you so much for watching the video. This is Bay. I'm the founder of CheapLandFarm.com.